Hello everyone, my name is Bryana Bibbs and I am a textile artist and art educator based in Chicago, and today I'm going to show you how to weave on a cardboard loom. To weave, you will need a cardboard loom, masking tape, scissors, a tapestry needle, a wide tooth comb, and yarn. If you don't want to purchase a cardboard loom, you can always make your own with cardboard or cereal boxes that you have in your home. To get started, make every 1/4 of an inch marks at the top and bottom of your board. At every mark, cut 1-inch long slits for your warp threads to easily fit through. You have now finished your cardboard loom. To dress your loom with the warp, take your yarned end and tape it to the back of your loom. Then, going up and down, tuck the yarn behind each cardboard peg. Once you have finished dressing your loom with your warp, turn your loom to the back and tape down the other yarn end. Now to get started weaving in plain weave, thread your tapestry needle with the weft material of your choice. Next, go under your first warp end on either side and go over the next. Continue to go over until you reach the end. Once reaching the end, beat down your weft material with a wide tooth comb. To continue the plain woven structure, do the opposite pattern of what you had done before. This time, for your second row or pick, you will go over your first warp end and under the next. Continue to go over, under until you reach the end, and then repeat. In my weaving workshops, I always encourage participants to use non-traditional materials like tees, jeans, and ties. So today, I'm going to weave with an old plastic bag. Much like with the green weft, I'm going to continue to weave in plain weave, but instead of using my tapestry needle, I'm going to use my hands to go under and over each warp thread. And now that I have finished weaving with my plastic bags, I'm going to take some old denim jeans that I had lying around and cut them into strips that are a little longer than the width of my weaving. Once you have reached the top of your weaving, turn your loom to the back and remove the tape. Once the tape has been removed, turn your loom to the front and gently remove each warp thread loop from behind each peg. You have now finished your weaving. Thank you for watching and have fun weaving.